Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, HID headlights, privacy glass, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, satellite radio, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.